Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the new mobile G3. Now you can buy this from usnewmobile.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $200. I repeat, $200. So this is a serious contender for best budget phone of the year. And after this video, I think this might have the title. All right, so real quick, let's run down the specs. Now you get a 5.7-inch curved display with a resolution of 1440 by 720. Now it's running a Helio P25 chipset. That's a 2.39 gigahertz octa-core processor. You get 64 gigs of storage, 4 gigs of RAM. It's running Android 7.1.1 Nugget. Shout out to the Nugget boys. This phone features dual SIM slots. You got a micro SD card slot for expandable memory up to 128 gigs. You got dual cameras on the rear, fingerprint sensor, facial ID, payment security. It features fast charge, 4G LTE, and NFC. NFC on a budget phone. All right, so let's check this out real quick. New mobile G3. Let's see, did we miss anything with the specs? All right, so the battery is 3,000 milliamps, and for the cameras, it's a dual camera setup on the back, 13 megapixels and 5 megapixels. Shout out to White Shoes. And on the front, you got a 5 megapixel camera. All of that for $200. This looks like a go. We grab a little unboxing knife. Shout out to the bat knife. Rah. Here we go. Now the budget wars is heating up. This looking like the new boss right here. New mobile G3. Shout out to Zerks. Zerks, fall back just a little bit. Here we go. Presentation. Y'all know I like a nice box. Who doesn't? Let's open this up. Let's see any tape. All right, here we go. Box struggles. All right. Inside, here's your device. Whew, now look at this. Hold up. Here we go. Rah. One more in the back. Rah. Woo. Now look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Now, just for demo purposes, I got my old Honor 8. Look how beautiful this is. $200 for the curve. This kind of looks like a Galaxy, but this blue looks dope. Now, I'm not a big fan of the Galaxy blue, that coral blue. Even though I did order an S9 in that color, this is my favorite kind of blue. That Kansas City Royals blue. Little new branding on the back. There's your fingerprint sensor, dual camera, LED flash, power button with a little bit of texture to it, volume up and down, front-facing camera, 5 megapixels. Is that a flash? That looks like a flash on the front. Hold up, I'm getting too hyped. All right, let's see what else you get in the box. Usual books and shit, pluck them and file them. Keep in mind, y'all, $200. Keep that in the back of your thoughts. All right, I know. You get a case. Now look at this case. Has a little padding to it. Gel skin case, flexible. It is what it is. It's included. Here's your fast charging brick. All right, let's see. 5 volts, 2,000 milliamps. Fast enough to get the job done. Okay, this is going to be your, let's see now. Is this USB Type-C? Oh, check this out. USB Type-C. Now, this looks like dual speakers. A lot of times they have dual speaker grills, but it's just one speaker, but we'll see.
Sorry, I'm having trouble with the connection. Please try again in a moment.
Shout out to Siri, trolling my videos. Now, one thing I just noticed, no headphone jack. So this is going to be your headphone jack adapter, but still, USB Type-C on a $200 phone. Shout out to New. They looking good right now. Let's see what else you get. This is going to be your USB Type-C charging cable. And SIM ejection tool. All right, so that's pretty much it. Look at this phone. This is a $200 phone looking like a $1,000 Galaxy. Let's power this up real quick. Okay, felt a little vibration. Let me get a little wipe down for dramatic effect. Here we go. Let's take a look at the animation, if there's any. White Shoes, hold the box down. Okay, a nice little animation. That looks like a flash on the front. So far, man, I gotta breeze through the OS real quick, but it's looking like we got a new budget phone champ on deck. Look-wise, this is just incredible. Y'all know I'm a fan of the glass backs. Look at that shine. All right, so let me pause the video real quick. I know. I'm gonna pause the video, I'll drop my information in, and we'll breeze through the OS. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I just put my information in the phone. I've been playing around with it for a few minutes, and I got to be 100% honest with y'all. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. At $200, this phone is a certified win. I'm giving this phone my vote for best budget phone of the year. Easily. Now, I know what y'all saying. What about the Mate SE and the Honor 7X? Well, I'm going to tell you 6 reasons why I think the G3 is better. Number 1, build quality. Now, all of these have premium builds, but the G3 just has the glass back design. Y'all know I'm a sucker for that. Which one of these 3 looks more premium and looks more expensive? If you didn't know the price of all 3 of these, you would think the G3 costs more because it looks like a Galaxy phone. It looks like all of the new modern phones. So I'm going with the G3 for build. But like I said, that's kind of subjective, but I like this one better. Number 2, USB Type-C charging. Now with the Mate SE and the Honor 7X, you got micro USB charging. That's old school. With the G3, you got USB Type-C. Now that's a big deal. If you're buying this as your backup phone, say you got a Google Pixel 2 XL, maybe you got a Galaxy Note 8, when you jump in your car, now you only need one cable to charge all your Android phones. Same thing when you get to work, you plug in your Note, unplug it, plug in your G3. So USB Type-C, this is more future-proof. That's a major plus. Number 3, NFC. Now with your Mate SE and your Honor 7X, no NFC. With your G3, you got NFC. So if you got a bunch of Bluetooth speakers or Bluetooth headphones that you can use tap and pair, NFC on deck. And if you're big on Android Pay, now you can set this phone up and use your Android Pay. Number 4, facial unlock. Now with the SE and the 7X, no face unlock, strictly fingerprint sensor. With the G3, you got the fingerprint sensor, you got all your trusted locks, you got a little alert on deck too, and you got facial unlock. All right, so that's a major plus. Number 5, speakers. Now, I got to show y'all this. I really couldn't figure this out. I think this is dual speakers. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. The speakers on this just sound way better than the 7X and the SE. So the speakers on this sound much better. And last but not least, the camera. Now, both of these have great cameras. 13 megapixel on the front, dual 13 and 5 on the back. Portrait mode looks better on this than the Mate SE. Not to mention, you got the big dog selfie flash on the front. All right, now that's a huge deal. If you're buying this for little kids, they're going to be taking 1,001 pictures. They got a flash. And if you're using this for video, this flash stays on. So you got a video light when you're making your Instagram videos in the club. Now you got your light on deck. So the G3 to me is the best budget phone out right now. All right, so let's go through this real quick. First of all, build quality, like I said, feels so good in the hands. Ladies, you know the procedures. I love the glass back designs. Let me get a little wipe down. This is very reminiscent of the blue on the HTC U11. This is just so dope. All right, now I could have did without the new branding, but it is what it is. All right, so build quality, A1. Next, let's go through the fingerprint sensor. Now, the fingerprint sensor works 100% of the time. I will say the Mate fingerprint sensor and the 7X is definitely a little bit faster, but this one gets the job done. Opens every time. Now, let me show you facial unlock. All right, my bad, y'all. I had to take a phone call. So where was we? Facial unlock. All right, so no fingerprint. I'm going to use the thumb for the power button. Just going to look at the phone, and it opens right up. Let's try that one more time. For $200, facial unlock, that's a major go. All right, so let's go through the OS. So far, no lag, nice and smooth. Scroll down. There's your typical drop-down menu, all your toggles. Let's go to settings real quick. We'll hit more. NFC. Now, NFC on a $200 phone, that's a win. You're not going to find that on every budget phone. Let's see, display. Typical display settings. You got screencast. Let's see if we got any gestures. All right, so we got slide to capture screenshot. All right, so 3 fingers down, hit OK. There's your screenshot. Now, slide 3 fingers upward to launch the camera. Just like that. All right, that might be your World Star Hip Hop motion. Slide to adjust volume. All right, 2 fingers upwards to adjust the volume. So you see at the top, volume up and down. That's pretty dope. Double tap to lock the screen. And double tap to launch the camera. So you got your World Star Hip Hop button on the side, double tap, and that takes you right to your camera. All right, so now let's see. Let's open this up. Now look, there's your face unlock menu. Let's see how fast this opens. Not the fastest, not the smoothest in the world, but it does work. Now let me show you the speakers real quick, and we'll look at the display. Now, matter of fact, one more thing I want to show you. This wallpaper kind of showcases the vibrancy of this display. Look at those viewing angles. This phone just looks and feels beautiful. Now, do I got this at max brightness? Let's put it on at max brightness. All right, so there's your max brightness. Look at that display. All right, so let's pull up a YouTube video real quick. And let me let y'all hear these speakers. I would take it to one of my dyno videos. Let's see. Oh, I forgot I shot this a long time ago. That's the maximum size. Listen to these speakers. Now, if I cover up one speaker, you still hear it? Cover up the other speaker. So it's not really dual speakers, but the speaker is surprisingly loud. All right, this is extra loud. Let's get to the one that matters. All right. Listen to how loud this is. All right, we need some gas in it. There it goes. Beautiful. All right, so the display on this, the speakers, made you go. Now, let's open up the camera real quick. I want to show y'all something. All right, so when you go to your camera, you got your video mode, portrait, beauty, you got panoramic, you got mono, black and white, and you got pro mode. Adjust the white balance, ISO, you can put it on auto shutter, do whatever you want. Now, I want to show y'all one more thing. All right, here goes all your settings. Pretty basic, but look at the picture quality. I'll do a quick point and shoot. Now you could disable that sound if you want. The pictures on this come out beautiful. Now look at this picture. This is the picture right here. Look at the detail in this picture. This is a $200 phone. You got portrait mode. Now I did a portrait shot. Let me see if I can find that one. I think this is it. Oh yeah, this is the portrait shot. Look at the background. If you notice, the background is blurred out a little bit. Now this is not going to replace your iPhone 10 or your Pixel XL, but portrait mode on this works pretty good. Now here's something I wanted to show you. Let me take it to the front facing camera real quick. I just activate this. We go to video. Look at this. You got a video light that stays on. So if you're doing a selfie picture, when you're using the flash, it's just going to come on and off real quick like a regular flash. But if you're using video, this flash stays on. That's perfect for your middle of the night photos and your middle of the night videos. So the camera on this made you go. All in all, $200. Really nothing to complain about. I would say if I had to pick one gripe, it is a little bit buggy here and there. Now I will say the Honor 7X is a little bit more smoother and a little bit more refined. But this right here, you're getting what you pay for. $200 minimum lag. You got a great camera. You got a 3,000 milliamp battery with fast charge. You got dual SIM slots. You got a micro SD card slot for expandable memory. You got dual cameras in the back, 13 megapixel camera in the front. Speakers are nice and loud. The display is crystal clear. NFC, face to unlock. What more do you want? All right, somebody put the Tyrese crying face. What more do you want from me? And look at this build quality. Keep in mind, look where we at in this tech game. Now, if y'all remember about 3 to 4 years ago, look at the phone you would have got for $200. It would have been some cheap plastic bullshit phone that it wouldn't even be able to stand next to a Galaxy phone. Matter of fact, I got a Galaxy right here. Just for comparison, look at the difference. One of these phones costs $1,000 and one of these phones costs $200. If you was new to the game and you didn't know nothing about nothing, you wouldn't even know which one was which. Anyway, this is the new mobile G3. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. And like I said, it's only March, but so far, this is the best budget phone of the year, $200. This phone is White Shoes approved. Look, Zerks came and sat right next to the phone. This is White Shoes approved. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.